Multiplication of two-digit number. So let us see the base method 3 in this concept. To multiply any two-digit numbers, so when the number is very close to the 100, so this base concept will apply. For example, one number is more than 100 and one is less than 100. So 112 if you want to multiply with 93. So in this concept, the numbers are close to the 100, but one is less than 100, one is more than 100. How to multiply in simple way? This is plus 12 because 112 is 12 more than 100 and 96 is 7 less than 100. Less. The word less I am using, no minus symbol you keep. This is more, so plus symbol. This is the first step you have to analyze by observing the question. Then next, you can do the cross. That means 93 plus 12 or 112 minus 7. You'll get the same answer. 93 plus 12, 105. 105. Or else 112 minus 7 also 105 only. Any cross you can do, which is easy. Comfort you do it. Next you have to multiply these both. Plus 12 into minus 7. So this is minus 84. Okay, this is the first step you have to analyze. Now ones tens, 5 is in hundreds place. Therefore, you can take 105, keep 2 zeros and subtract this 84. Don't keep the side. This is ones tens, 2 digits already is there. And in this place, this is hundreds place. So ones and tens place you can keep 2 zeros and subtract 84. 10,500 minus 84. So 10,416 is answer for this. So this is the final answer. 112 into 93 is 10,416. One more way also I'll show you this one. For example, 106 multiplied by 94. If you want to do multiplication, as per the first step, this is the plus 6 minus 6 because this is a 6 more and 6 less. Now, according to the method, you can do 96 plus 4 or 106 minus 6. You get same 100. Next one, plus 6 into minus 6 is minus 36. Instead of taking 2 zeros and adding, just you can do one more method. Normally, take the first number and keep 2 zeros and subtract this. Or else, just do minus 1 from this. Whatever the number is there, you can do minus 1, 99. And this you can subtract from the 100. This one you can subtract from 100. So 100 minus 36. Same method now. 100 minus 36 is 64. So you can add the 64 here. Same concept here also. 84 minus, okay, from 100 minus 84 is 16. 105 minus 1 is 104, right? So this is the complement method. We can use either this or this. So a number is more than 100 and one is less than 100. To close to the 100, this is the base method 3. You can apply to solve these problems. Just do calculation fast.